Hello traders, today's highlights: global equity markets have seen their week-long rout continue and investors remain nervous. It's Friday, February 9th, and here is our daily market review. Wall Street produced another wicked day of selling on Thursday as the three major indexes all sank. The Dow Jones Industrials dropped more than 4%. Asian equities this morning have come off their lows but have experienced strong selling too. The Hang Seng and Shanghai Shenzhen composites have slumped badly. The Nikkei index has lost more than 10% of value in the past month. However, global investors also know the broad equity markets have produced stellar gains the past year, and many analysts remain optimistic about economic conditions and point out the current selling is due to a recalibration in the markets due to shifting yields in long-term bonds. While economic data has been rather light this week, the Bank of England's inflation report and monetary policy summary yesterday provided insights into the rather subtle methods of central bank policy. The BOE admitted inflation remains stronger than forecasted, but continues to take the party line that its projections will fall into line long term. The pound has gained against the US dollar slightly and is above the 1.39 level. Meanwhile, the euro has produced range trading the past day, and the yen has gotten stronger. Having been taken lower this week earlier, gold has proved capable of adding value in the midst of another sell-off in equities yesterday. The precious metal is near $1,317 US an ounce. However, market conditions remain fast, and traders who seek short-term excursions need to remain alert for volatility. The manufacturing production statistics from the UK will provide traders with some ammunition at 0930 GMT. Thank you for watching. Have a good trading day. We'll see you again soon.